Something is just missing from this look. It is so matte and I just need more glow. Introducing all that glimmers, NARS the Light Reflecting Luminizing Collection. And this latest collection comes in 2 shades, gives you blush and sheer at one go. Honestly, I've been obsessed with the last collection in Ophelia. I'm applying as a blush in Love Deep just right after I applied my liquid blush. Ooh, I love it. It gives that radiance instead of harsh glitters. And my tricks, I love to apply it right on top of my eyeshadow. It just blends perfectly. If you love healthy glow look, you're gonna love this. I'm swatching 4 different shades of light reflecting luminizing stick. You know, it just glides on effortlessly on your skin and it gives a glass-like finish. I'm applying in Code Electra. It has like a hint of champagne. It is a multi-use stick, multifunctional. You can apply it across cheeks, eyes, lips, all over face, body, you name it. It is also sweat and waterproof with long-lasting wear. You can literally see the difference with and without. That balm-like melts effortlessly into your skin. And that sticks, you can literally carry it anywhere. Try it, you're gonna love it. Keep glowing with NARS.